Today we're doing a little mini hike. There's the Skirrid. At the minute we're here. We might do that. I had a day off, so yeah, thought I'd do something out of the ordinary. Get some fresh air. Do a bit of photography. See if I can fly the drone today. It's not too bad. In terms of wind and weather, should be a fun little trail. It's a nice view. I guess going this way. That's probably the right way. Okay, we go this way. Alright, so maybe I didn't miss it. I think maybe this is the loop around the top of the hill, maybe. Alright, let's follow this and see where it goes. Not a bad little view from there. See the rest of the valley. Yeah, I've got Austria to look forward to in June, and yeah, looking at maybe some maybe a trip to Munich to try out the wave pool there, because that looked quite fun. I've got some good stuff planned though. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that. It helps out a bunch. I appreciate you watching. There's a bit of sunlight, blue sky, and through the valley is well, you see all those hills are, that's the Brecon Beacons. So you're kind of just outside the main area. Yeah, decent view. Let's keep on trucking. First sight at the top. I think we walk around the back of this bit and up around the other side. Yeah. The rolling fields of Wales. Getting a bit of wind now, which is nice. Not too stuffy. Yeah, it's not the same as or dramatic as the Alps or Dolomites, but I suppose I have to learn to embrace the more mundane elements of England. It can't always be super cool mountains. Crossing. With age, sun's getting through now. Up there. Oh, that's it, brutal. Hey. Oh, that was a slog. All right. Nice bit of wind. flight done. That's some good views, I think. There's some good pictures, good footage. What am I saying? I don't know. Anyway, we're heading back down now. Hopefully it won't be as strenuous as going up. There's the car park. And there. So I guess you probably could come straight up this way and skip the whole loop around the back. Potentially. Ooh. It's a bit dusty. Back at the beginning of the loop. Yeah, all in all, it's a nice hike. Not overly challenging, but decent little steep incline to get the blood pumping. That's really bad song. Right. Yeah. And the castle. It's definitely bigger than Tiverton, so value for money there. Ooh, it's like a dungeon. Alright, let's test out the old ice down here. Like wine story. Ooh, it's actually cool in here. Get-oo, get-oo. Kind of creepy. You see me? Not really. Yeah, it's nice and cool. It's quite a difference actually, just from in there to up here. The difference in air temperature is quite dramatic. Yeah. Interesting. Pretty cool. Check out this little moat thing. Pretty cool view. As you can see, just here's where we were hiking. Yeah, decent little vantage point. Cool little historical South Gate. It's quite impressive. Thanks for watching. If you got this far, any likes and subs are appreciated. Well, yeah. See you next one. Ciao.